Hi, today at Office Express we're going to show you a quick video on how to clean your office Keurig, which should be done on a monthly basis, and especially with people coming back from the new year and even quarantine, it's going to be a must-have because you definitely don't want your office Keurig serving up espressos rather than espressos. So what we're going to do is focus on two main parts of the machine: the K-cup cradle, the top needle and bottom, and then the hot water tank in the center. This particular machine can be drained from a little door in back here and two little drain tubes right here. There's other ones that have a button, a drain button, and it allows you to drain the tank into the outside exposed tank. And some just can't be drained. So those are more on the residential side. That's why it's good to get a commercial brewer, because it allows you to prolong the life and drain it to keep it clean, the water scale and whatever may collect in the drain. First thing is the K-cup cradle. Pops out here. There we go, Yahtzee. And this just comes off, and you're just going to get a regular old paper clip. Stick it in there and make sure that that little hole is unplugged. Same thing with the top. It's got 3 holes in the top needle. You're just going to poke the paper clip in there to make sure that's free and clear of all coffee grounds. Second thing is you're going to want to get just a standard coffee maker cleaner. This top comes off, and you can put these little tablets in there. They drain right in there, and they dissolve. It takes about 10 minutes. Fill it up with water, run a full tank through, and once that is finished, fill it up again, run it through again, and that should, for the most part, take care of just a quick monthly cleaning for your office Keurig. If this is something that your schedule does not allow, we offer this as a service to our customers, and we'd be more than happy to do. So just give us a call, and we'll get you taken care of.